Hello and welcome back, everybody, into our channel. If you're wondering and wanting to reset your Facebook feed, in today's video, we are going to go ahead and guide you through the process for that. So, without any delay, let's just get started. You can head over and open up the Facebook app for that on your device and log in if you are not logged in right now. And once you are logged in, you can go over and tap on the menu icon in the top right corner, and that should open up your menu right here. So what you need to do from here is once you open up the menu, you may just go ahead and scroll down and find the option for settings and privacy and go ahead and expand it up. Once you expand it up, there you should be finding a bunch of options. You can cut with the settings option and tap on it and open it up. And here you may just scroll down and go to the section for feed preferences. So if you find that option here, you can just go ahead and find it up. You should be finding a section called preferences, under which you will be finding content preferences, reaction preferences, etc. So head over to content preferences and tap on it. And once you tap on it here, just go ahead and reset your feed. So first of all, let's head over to political content and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can select this option if you want political content on your feed or not. If you do not want it, you can just go ahead and disable this option right here, and that should go ahead and show you the political content less. After that, we have the section for sensitive content as well. Go ahead and tap on it, and then you can reset it. You can tap on default if you want to reset it. Tap on default, or tap on show list as well, depending upon yourself, and tap on save, and that should do it. And apart from that, here you will be finding section called who you see, favorites, snooze, unfollow, reconnect. So you can head over and tap on it. Tap on favorite first. Once you tap on it here, select your favorite friends or pages. You could just go ahead and choose those, and it will suggest you based on your activity. Similarly, for snooze, tap on it. You can just go ahead and snooze the content that you do not want. You can just go ahead and go over and confirm the snooze. Tap on snooze, and that should confirm it up, and they will show you that content list and reset your feed as well. You can even tap on unfollow and go ahead and unfollow certain pages that you do not want on your Facebook page feed at all. And apart from that, you can even select reconnect if you want to reconnect and reset your feed on Facebook. And that's it. These are some of the solutions you can try out. It is pretty quick and easy, and that should reset your feed. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.